Have you ever thought about these types of questions? How do we know why viruses work? Or how do scientists find cures or vaccines? Well, the goal and purpose of SCIE 200, Innovative Approaches to Health, is learning about and experiencing health science research. In this course, you will actively participate in multiple studies from the research scientist and participant perspective. Further, you will develop and pursue your own research questions. My name is Dr. Avis Jackson, and I'm a Morgan alum. I'm here to tell you research is fascinating. This course will help you to learn how to think like a scientist and work on your science writing skills. You will take measurements, tally and chart data, discuss and think deeply about problems like cancer. But don't just take my word. See what some of your peers thought.
This class has definitely reshaped my mind about research. Before, I kind of thought that research was boring, but until I was able to really look into it a lot and really be able to do my own project, that's when it really became really interesting to me. I think the problem before was that I wasn't really looking at topics that I was personally interested in, but this program really allows you to be able to do whatever you want and really be creative and figure out what you like and what you want to do, and that's what makes it so cool.
I feel like the class definitely helped me become more a part of the scientific community because I felt more in touch with it. It made me read papers. It made me think about why different authors were pursuing it, how they got their funding, basically the entire process of conducting research. And so once I knew more about that knowledge rather than just looking at the findings, I felt more in touch with the scientific community.
Don't think that you need to come into this program knowing anything at all. Any background information you know is fine. Anything you don't know, it's fine, because this program will make sure that you know what you need to know so that you'll be comfortable and successful in the future when you do research.